Well, hello everyone and welcome to this vidIQ tutorial for beginners. If you're ready to take your YouTube channel from a ghost town to a viral sensation, you're in the right place. I'm breaking down the ultimate SEO setup that will help you find winning video ideas, rank on the first page of search, and finally understand why your competitors are getting more views than you. We're covering the brand new vidIQ dashboard, the powerful AI coach, and the updated keyword search tools that are essential for your growth this year. Also, if you haven't signed up for vidIQ yet, you can use my link down below and enter the promo code DIDASCO in order to get 50% off their boost plan for your first 3 months. It's the best way to unlock all the features we're about to dive into. If you don't have an account, you just simply need to come over here and click on sign up for free. So we're going to click on that. So what we actually did when we clicked on sign up was to select a Gmail address, which we use in order to speed up the process. So you can do just that by selecting an existing Google account, and you'll be taken to this page. Then here it says connect your YouTube channel. Of course, you could decide to skip for now if you're just starting out, or if you want to, you could go ahead and click on your YouTube channel and connect it to vidIQ. This actually helps with the processing and you'll find this out later. Now, once you finally get on your dashboard, which is what we're looking at on vidIQ, you'll be greeted with this ChatGPT looking page where you can simply write what you'd like vidIQ to help you with. If you'd like to grow, you can simply type in a question, how can I grow my brand, or how can I grow my channel? Or of course, at the bottom right here, you can see options like audit my channel, find niche, new thumbnail, find keywords, video ideas, write script, make clips, and AI shorts. It is important that if you want to have the best out of vidIQ, you'd have to actually connect your channel. For example, if you're choosing audit my channel, you'll need to connect your channel. And this is why during the sign up process, you might want to do that, or if you don't, you'll need to do it once you're in. So we're just going to click on connect your channel in order to get past this. So once you successfully connect your account, you'll see the name of your channel at the top right here. And here you can say audit my channel. So if you click on that, you can say, can you audit my channel? And you can make your request for vidIQ to audit your channel. The results will help guide you on what you need to do and improve on your strategy. Now, when we go over to the left side panel, we have some options, but for now, I'd like to focus on more tools. If you click on the drop down, you see outliers, daily ideas, competitors, subscribers, learn, etc. But if you click on daily ideas, this option here is not just a random list. vidIQ uses AI to analyze your channel's history and suggest 3 personalized video ideas every single day. If you're on the boost plan, you actually get up to 50 ideas. Each idea comes with a prediction, very high, high, or medium, telling you how likely that topic is to perform for your specific audience. The next thing we'd like to look at is keywords. So you can go ahead and click on keywords, and this is where the magic happens. You want to type your video idea into the search bar, and immediately you see overall score. So let's try something out. So right here we have a keyword AI prompting, and by pressing on enter, you can see AI prompting overall score 53, which is in the medium range. You can see the search volume and the competition. Now, this score basically shows you how many people want to see it. And for the competition 54.6, this shows you how many other creators are making it. Your goal as a beginner is to find keywords in the green zone, which means high volume or low competition. Below, as you scroll down, you can check for matching keywords or matching terms and related keywords. These are the exact phrases you should be weaving into your title and description to help the algorithm categorize your content. The next thing we'd like to look at is the competitors tab. Once you click on it right here, you notice this page. Now, the competitors tab is actually underrated. You can add the top channels in your niche and see exactly what is working for them right now. Now, once you provide a list of the top channels in your niche, You can use the VPH or views per hour filter to see which of the videos are currently trending. If a video from 6 months ago is still pulling 100 views per hour today, that's a green light topic you should cover on your own channel immediately. Now I need to go back to a standout feature just to emphasize what it does. If we click on the home, you can see the AI coach. Now this feature is essentially a ChatGPT built specifically for your YouTube data. You could ask things like, what should my next video be about? Or analyze my last 5 videos and tell me why retention dropped. It looks at your actual analytics and gives you actionable advice. It can even generate a full video script or a video outline to save you hours of pre-production time. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to access the full power of the AI coach and unlimited keyword search, make sure to use my link in the description and use the promo code vidIQ to get 50% off the boost plan for your first 3 months. It's the absolute game changer for speeding up your workflow. The next thing is the YouTube Studio integration. Now you'll need to install the vidIQ web extension, whether it's Chrome or Microsoft Edge, which you can find right here. So it takes us to the browser web store and you can see here vidIQ, and we're just going to go ahead and click on Get. Of course, approve to add extension. Now after installing it, you'll see remove. That means you have vidIQ extension on your browser. You're going to go over to your browser at the top area, look for the puzzle icon, which stands for extensions, or of course you could click on the 3 dots, click on it and look for extensions. So once you click on the extensions, you'll see the vidIQ Vision for YouTube. It's currently not pinned to the toolbar, so we're going to do just that. And there you have it right there. Now once you install the vidIQ extension, your upload page gets a massive upgrade. And let's show you that. Now at the top right hand corner, you can see the vidIQ scorecard. Now right here in your channel stats, vidIQ gives you details on your channel stats such as subscribers, public watch hours, public shorts, etc. These metrics help you to know how your channel is faring, basically your channel viewership health. It will help you to know how well your titles, descriptions, and tags are doing. Now one of the newest tools here is the AI title generator. Now instead of just guessing what works, click the get AI titles on yours, or you can simply click on generate right here on the left side panel. You can see some options and you want to click on generate. You can see right here, start your next video, generate proven titles, thumbnails, descriptions, and outlines. Now once you provide some options right here and you click on generate, it's going to provide you with options optimized for a better click-through rate. Now once we click on the thumbnails, you can also see that you can right here describe your thumbnail idea and get a feedback on what it looks like. And basically you know that your thumbnail is like a window to your video. So your thumbnail can be the difference between those who look through and those who actually click on it. So you definitely want your thumbnails to be clickable and have a high click-through rate. So using this, by describing your thumbnail idea, you'll be given proper guidance on how to handle your thumbnails. In conclusion, vidIQ isn't just a tool, it's a roadmap. By using the daily ideas to beat creator's block, the keyword instructor to find low competition niches, and the AI coach to refine your strategy, you're removing the guesswork from YouTube. The creators who will win are the ones who use data to drive their creativity. And lastly, if you've not signed up yet for vidIQ and you don't want to miss out, you can click the link below and use my promo code vidIQ to get 50% off your first 3 months of the Boost plan. We hope you found this helpful and we'll see you in the next one.